What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today it's a shop video. As y'all can see, came by the shop, man, pulled up, see what Unc got going on, and I'll show y'all what he got going on, what he been up to, cause y'all ain't seen Unc on the channel in a long time. Told y'all I'm pull up down here and all that. And you know, that's what we got going on today, cause man, maybe we'll see some tie smoke. Who knows? Cause you know Unc always turn up some. So we might see some tie smoke. If we did see some tie smoke, then y'all probably saw it in the thumbnail. But that we got going on, man. About to see what he got going on in here and all that good stuff, and just holler at him, and you know, and don't tell him who pull up and all that. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we taking it in. Got over here to the shop. Well, I've been over here. I'm just now cutting the camera on. I'm just now cutting y'all on, but y'all see what Unc got in here. 69. All right, y'all, camera had cut off, man. But like I said, we in here at the shop. We got 69. Got Rockman truck right here. Got a nice little piece in there. Got a couple of engines over here getting done. I can't show y'all one on, but got this one right here Unc doing. Going in a shop bed. Clean too. This thing here clean. That look good, man. And this a female too. It's female, so she about to be nasty up on the hood. Nice little shop bed she doing. So like I said, you got the chrome accessories, man. Black engine, that look good. And got a supercharged Impala over there. Whatever. Then we got I gotta come get this thing, man. I got too many engines. That cheapskate short block still sitting right there. Like I said, man, I got too many engines, man. I got too many engines. Y'all see the piston that was in that thing? Told you stop. Bought a man $250 motor. So I'm gonna get that. We're gonna do something with it. But let me see. He got that. And Unc over here doing the rear end. He over here doing the rear end, man. Y'all know. Y'all see my buddy Tim. Shout out to Tim. Y'all seen Tim in a minute. So Unc over here doing this rear end. I'll tell y'all, look. Y'all remember that story I told y'all? Look what he got over here. He got this. And then right here, look, he try to hide it. Look, the same thing. You have to go back to the old vlog. I told y'all that story when he was doing the rear end.
Hey, I can make it happen again, won't you?
Nah, we don't need to do that. And we don't need to do that. Hey man, it ain't gonna want a truck popping up out of the ground and like got hydraulic. Cause he'll blow that thing out that stand right there, y'all. I'm telling y'all, man. For the new subscriber though, cause I think I was on the Ride channel, upload on a regular basis. Man, he was doing the rear end. Man, at the time, he was on the float then though. I mean, he had a little.
Had the thing on jack stand on the floor,
yeah, on the jack stand like that. Man, he was cleaning all the part. Man, I'm talking about brake part cleaner still dripping. Me and my bro Jerry was in there.
Hold on, it wasn't there. It was the welder.
Yeah, it was the welder, but it still was on fire.
For Big Lou's dad.
Yeah, hey, yeah, he welding up some gear, man. The spider gears in there to make it positive. That's what the guy wanted done. Man, that stuff was still leaking, man. He hit that welder. A mushroom cloud came from under the car. It blew the car off the jack stand and landed right back. I said, man. Then one time, he finna weld the radiator up. I think he finna weld the radiator up. And man, whole radiator was on fire. Yeah. The whole radiator was on fire.
How about the gas tank with the sump?
Yeah, the gas tank with the sump, man. Yeah, I'm telling you. If I turn the camera on, he got these two things together. Just know it's time to go. It's time to go. But man, y'all see it was truck, man. This thing nasty. It man keep some. Man, what else you got, man?
We're working on the C10.
C10.
Working on the C10.
So he got C10. He had one a while back too. That thing was nasty. I don't think I ever got it on camera. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Then it was over there. Yeah, he was selling it. But man, he got this truck.
It went for sale.
It want somebody that got their heart right.
Now, Buddy seen it. Buddy posted and did something. And we got like 10 or 15 calls. Everybody coming for it. So, hey,
It had to go.
everything for sale around my house.
Hey, look, we the same way. I told y'all, man. I told y'all can get anything. Somebody just got to come and get their heart right.
Get it all right.
But
Everything's for sale, but you ain't
there's hey man, Tim be turned up, man, all the time. Well, he got the truck, and y'all seen the black money color out there? 70, is it 71? Yeah, 71. Huh?
Mine.
Look, he said he done took the money color. He done deboed it. He done deboed it. Hey, that's what Debo said, ain't it, man? Rest in peace, Debo. That's what he said, though. Yeah, man, but that we got going on today. Oh, got engine everywhere, man. Look, I don't even know.
2 for 1, come and get them today.
Look at these, man. Look at these monster domes right here, man.
Hey, man,
Hey, man, they don't know what it is, man.
Hey, don't show them what I'm killing with.
Look, hey, man, that man switch stuff up so fast, like you don't never know. Ain't no telling what these things go in, man. I come in here, got stuff everywhere, y'all. He got stuff everywhere. Look, comedic gasket package and everything. No telling what he got going on. Y'all see Edward car, man. The other car, thing clean. That thing clean. The Edward other ride, y'all. They had truck in there, that Ford truck there, the other money color. It came to the car meet, last car meet. If y'all was out there. That thing nice. Alright, y'all, so y'all see Tim over here too. So this is a shop check-in video. I see Tim over here. The shop bed. Y'all know I'm rolling this thing too. Tim stay doing something to this truck, man. Clean too. Said he finna change the wheels on it. He said he gonna change the wheels on it. Got all this stuff over here, intakes, engines, LS engines, everything, man. Little Vortex. This is how you identify Vortex too. I'm gonna show people this, Carl. People be getting this wrong all the time. They see center bolt valve cover and they immediately think it's a Vortex. Or people be selling them on Facebook Marketplace, telling people it's a Vortex. It ain't. Someone just TBI head. So the way you tell, let me see. This a Vortex too. Yep. Alright, so the way you tell, Vortex has only 8 holes total in the intake. 8 screws, bolts, I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If it has bolts in the center, they're throttle body heads. That's so y'all know it. They got bolts going in the center, they throttle body heads. Vortex do not have bolts in the center, and they actually go straight down too. They don't go in at an angle. So they go straight down. Y'all see how they go down in the head like that instead of going in at an angle, normally entering right here. So don't let nobody get you. If you're looking for a Vortex engine with, they some good engines too. I like them. I'm gonna do a build with a Vortex or something, man, one day. I like them. Shoot, I got 2 or 3 of them over here, so. But that's how you know. You see these center bolts? Somebody got some throttle body head. No matter what they tell you, it ain't no Vortex. 906 heads and stuff. I think these 906, they got 2 sets on, but they some of the best flowing heads, Gen 1 heads, GM made. So I'm telling you, man, like I've seen some Vortex go some good little numbers. So they some good little engines, man. But said Vortex right there, Vortex, LS, man, engines. He got engines for days. Big blocks, LS. I got some of everything over here. Small block, man. Like a whole bunch of stuff. So, like I said, 10, man, that was going on. Got some LS heads over there. A whole bunch of stuff. So, y'all know. Getting y'all a quick little update over here at the shop. I see all the engines. He got some stuff built. Got some stuff coming out. Y'all saw the Monte Carlo. The Ford gone. He just left out here. Edward, shout out to him. Man, but you know, just getting y'all an update. Cause I said shit, I ain't been over here in a long time. All that, so I'ma get back to the house and check back in with y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm still over here at the shop, man. Like I said, just chilling out. But then I thought about it. I said, when I get home, sun going down there, I've been chilling. So I said, by the time I get home, it'll probably be dark. So I'm gonna close the video out right here and all that. Just holler at y'all, cause like I said, we came down to the shop. See what our aunt had going on. Y'all see he got hella engines. Been building hella engines, man. Y'all hit him up. The number's on the screen. Joe Buddy Racing. Hit the number. Like I said, if he located Monroe, Georgia. So you close by, this about 45 minutes east of Lithonia. You know, it gets you right, all that rear work, all that good stuff. So like I said, there we met. We good day, fun. Y'all got to see some tire smoke. Y'all got to see some burnout smoke. So obviously it's the thumbnail. It was old Monte Carlo. That thing turn up clean too, and it sound good. Got a nice system in it. That thing turn up, man. Then y'all know every time we come over here, it's gonna be some burnout smoke or some action, man. And shout out to my boy Tim, man. Good to see Tim all the time and all of that, man. Then we got what we got this week. We got rain at the first part of the week, so you know I'm trying to. Tomorrow I might have a sunny day, or it might be cloudy, so I'm gonna try to shoot y'all about 2 or 3 vlogs. So we'll hold y'all over during them rainy days, cause ain't gonna be nothing going on. We might be getting brown coat back this week. It's looking very promising. We might be getting brown coat back, man. I hope wifey car come back this week. I'm gonna check on that and see what the deal is with that, man. I hope her car come back this week so y'all can see it on her channel and she can finally get the ride and stuff. And I don't know, man. I might make a power move on her car, man. She might mount up, man. You never know. You never know. So what we gonna have coming on this week, man? We got, if brown coat come back this week, y'all gonna see some action, some wet paint. But either way, if the track open this week too, we going to the track. I'm gonna take R&B to the track so we can get a time on it on the slicks. We'll throw it on the trailer. Like I said, go get a time on it. Take it to the home track, hit Hunter's Dragway, cause you know they're close. It ain't too far from here or whatever, from wherever. It close by everything. So either way, we're gonna try to get R&B to the track. I might bust off a double header, man, and take John Jones to the track too this week. So we might go 2 for 2. And then if not next week, the week after next, I get back on Dolo, man. Then we'll take Dolo to the track. Cause I figure next week I'm gonna get on here and get it straightened out. Which, like I said, is a simple fix. And then we'll hit the track within next week or the week after that. And by then, man, I'm trying to dial John Jones in too. But what I think I'm gonna go ahead and do, I might go ahead and do it this month coming up, is go ahead and rent the track and then just take all the cars, man. Take John Jones, the truck, brown coat, and then take Dolo too. Take all 3 of them and then, you know, get them dialed in. Cause when I rent the track, I think I get it for 6 hours. I think 6 hours. So John Jones, we need to dial the shocks in. Dolo, we gotta dial the shocks in. Dolo gonna take a lot of testing. Cause we run it on radials and 26s, and the 26 is gonna take a lot of work. And stuff. Then when I finally hook the progressive controller up, we're gonna have to dial that in too. But we're gonna need to dial John Jones in, dial the shocks in. Then brown coat, we just need to hit it with the gas when I get the gas hooked up. So September gonna be a busy month. All I can say, man, we putting gas on the brown coat. Dolo gonna get a different nitrous system, cause I'm gonna be spraying even more. Cause I was just seeing how that take it like that. So and John Jones, I'm probably I probably wait to October to do what I'm gonna do with John John. I'm gonna wait to October. I'm waiting to the end of the year for the grand finale call. I be hearing little stuff around the way, and you know, I see certain comment here and there. People got their car all wrong, and I can shock the world right now. But I'm gonna wait about October and do what I do. I'm gonna wait to October on that. Then we're gonna shock the world with Dolo too. Promise. I promise. A lot of people gonna be shocked at the end of the year, and a lot of people gonna have it all wrong. And I'm telling people now, Humble J Malcolm is going out the window. At the end of the year, when it's showing prove time, which I can do that now, Humble J Malcolm is going out the window. All I'm gonna say, man, if you got kids in front, cover your ears, cause I'm turning up. I'm turning up to the moon, man. I'm turning up, cause I have my program together, and I already accomplished what I need to accomplish. The world just lost, not the world. Some people lost. So I'm turning up. Humble J Malcolm gonna exit the building. That's all I'm saying. So, end of the year, I'm showing y'all everything. I'm keeping it straight up and down. And after that, I'm just enjoying my cars. I don't want nobody coming trying to grudge me, cause they gonna know my times and all of that. Or at least they gonna know what I want them to know. And I don't know, man. I don't know. I got some surprises for people. I got some big surprises for people. Some gigantic surprises. I can't wait. But anyway, that's it for this video, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Man, I'm finna head to the house in a little bit, man, and chill out, edit the video for y'all and all that. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG.